Hi, welcome to the morning briefing chapter. This is where you build your store's team's culture. The morning briefing is your single biggest daily investment in your team culture. Start with something positive, always. Set the energy. A team that starts the day feeling appreciated and clear on their goal performs at a completely different level to a team that starts the day being told just what went wrong. The morning briefing is the single most underused management tool in retail. Done well, in 10 minutes, it aligns your team, sets the energy for the day, and gives every person on the floor a number to chase. Done badly or not done at all, your team opens the store with no direction, no motivation. Let me give you the format that I used for 9 years. Here are the 6 parts. Part 1. Always start with the positive things from yesterday. Even on a tough day, something went right? Well, find it and celebrate it. Start warm. Remember, this sets the tone for everything that follows. Part 2. Discuss yesterday's result. Revenue, conversion, ATV, UPT. Just few sentences. Be factual and remember, no blame. Part 3. Discuss today's target. Be specific, not just do better today. Say the numbers, the conversion target, the revenue target, the ATV target, and the UPT target. Part 4. Give one focus skill to your team. It can be very simple, like greeting every customer in a great way, make add on improvement, trial room conversion. Keep it simple and always remember to change the focus skill every week to keep the refreshment going in your team. Part 5. Give one personal challenge to one team member by name. Be public, specific, and give achievable target. Part 6. Always close on a high. Be as energetic while closing. Be brief, genuine, and confident. Raise the room. Now, let me give you one example of a briefing. Let me show you exactly how this sounds. This is a real briefing I sometimes ran on some mornings. Ready? Well, good morning, team. First, yesterday, Maria had the best UPT in the store at 3.8. Maria, that was outstanding. Tell the team what you said to the customer after the fitting room. Thank you, Maria. Now, yesterday, we did 6,400 against a target of 7,200. We did only 89%. Conversion was 24. We were 4 points below the target, but our ATV was very strong. We were at 91, and we were the best yesterday in ATV this week. Today, we need 7,850. That means we need a 29% conversion, one in every 3.5 people who walks in. Today's focus, let's greet every customer with our best smile. Every customer as soon as they enter your zone. No exceptions. Well, Ahmed, I want your personal UPT above 3.5 today. You have been averaging 3.2, and that's great. I know you can do it. Anybody has any questions? Good. Today is our best day of the week. Let us go. Here is what not to do. Never open with excuses. Well, it was a slow day because so and so reason. Never do that. Just state the number and move on. Never give 5 focus skills at once. Just one per week. Always. And master the skill over the week. Never brief while walking or looking at your phone. Stand still, make eye contact with everybody, and never skip the briefing because it is busy. That is exactly when your team needs it most. And one more thing, always ask questions during your briefing. Who had the best add on transactions yesterday? Let your team members say it loud. Engagement is not just nice to have. It is how you keep your team alert, connected, and invested in the result. A briefing where the manager talks and the team stares is not a briefing, it's a lecture. Make it a conversation. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.
Full course on Udemy, link in bio. Follow and subscribe for daily retail tips.